Hello guys, I will show you how to reset the maintenance lights on a 2008 e350. How can we do that? There is two type of resetting the maintenance light: reset with the tool and reset without tool. So now we can show up how to reset it without tool. So to reset it without tool, you have to put the ignition switch, the key in the ignition switch, put it in the first position, and scroll this one to the temperature. When it show up the temperature, and press this button 3 times. When it give you the voltage, you can press this button to go down this one, sorry. So here it give you the service, so the service data, and if you want to go down and up from plus and minus, so we go down. So let's see the service data, and we press here the confirm. Here it gives us the service data. Confirm. So to go back from here, to go forward or OK from this one, to go up and down from this button. Okay. Should work. So this is the to counter this one, you have to scroll down to additional work, press OK. Here we can go to the service number 12, press OK, confirm. Okay. So to know, you can make confirmation. Sometimes when you make a confirmation, it give you service not confirmed, full service, put full service, service not confirmed. I know, but what we can do, let's go out, turn the ignition switch off, take the key out, put the key on the ignition switch, start the car, and now we can check for the next service. We just have to give him a little time, and they will show up the service D. Okay, so service D, so we'll set the service C. Thanks guys for watching.